Alright, so in this video, we're going to be finding the limit as x approaches negative 2 of x to the fourth power minus 6 over 2x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so we're going to be using the limit laws in order to solve. So the first thing I'm going to do is to divide this into two parts using the quotient law. So that's going to be the limit as x approaches 2 or negative 2 of x to the fourth power minus 6. And then, so this is one part. And then we're going to divide that using the quotient law by the second part, which is the limit as x approaches negative 2 of 2x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, now we can solve the left side and the right side separately. We're going to be using here the difference rule, or the difference law. This is just going to become the limit as x approaches negative 2 of x to the fourth power minus the limit as x approaches negative 2 of 6, and then all of this divided by the limit as x approaches negative 2 of 2x squared. So again, using the, in this case, the difference rule and the sum rule, 2x squared minus the limit as x approaches negative 2 of 3x plus the limit as x approaches negative 2 of just 2. So this is what we have. Now let's do this. Let's do this one more time to further simplify. So this is just going to be, and what I'm going to do to save some time in this video is I'm just going to copy this section right here that we have. This section right here. And I'm going to paste that down here. And then I will do divided by this right here, and we can simplify this further. Make this the limit as x approaches negative 2, and actually I should have put that 2 in front, so that's my bad. So this is going to become 2 times the limit as x approaches negative 2 of x squared, and then this minus, and then the same thing over here. I'm not going to forget this time. Bring out that 3, and then times the limit as x approaches negative 2 of x, and then plus finally just this limit as x approaches negative 2, just 2. Okay, so finally we can simplify and solve. Alright, so finally we can do that. This is just going to become the limit as x approaches negative 2 of x to the fourth power. That's just going to become negative 2 to the fourth power, which is positive 16, minus the 6 right here. And this is divided by, this is all divided by 2 times the limit as x approaches negative 2 of x squared. Well, that's just negative 2 squared, which is positive 4, minus, so I'm just going to add that, although it does not matter, minus 3, or minus, I'll do that in green, minus 3 times negative 2, and then I guess I could add these in parentheses as well, although it doesn't matter, plus the limit as x approaches negative 2 of 2 is just 2. Okay, and let's finally just simplify, and this is going to give us kind of running out of space here, so I should write it up down here. Let me write it there, actually. This is just going to become 10 divided by 2 times 4, which is 8, minus negative 6 plus 2. So that's going to become 8 minus 6, or actually 8 plus 6 plus 2, which is just 16. So that's 8 or 10 divided by 16, which can also be rewritten as I like it, as this, which can simplify down to equal 5 by 8. And we can also rewrite this as a decimal. If you want to, that would be 0.625. But essentially, this is our answer. So I hope you found this video helpful.